True's contemporary visual merchandisers, CVMs, are built with durability, stability, and style in mind. CVMs feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor runtimes, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. CVMs come in a variety of sizes and feature double-pane thermal-insulated curved-edge glass doors with illuminated handle position indicators. Interior LED lighting brilliantly showcases product displays. CVMs are designed to maximize product storage with a larger beverage capacity when compared to similar-size glass door units. Units come standard with black powder-coated rolled steel exteriors, black aluminum interiors with stainless steel floors and adjustable PVC-coated wire shelves. White interiors and shelving are also available. For a bold and unique look, units can be powder-coated in a variety of custom colors and outfitted with numerous sign options. All CVMs feature True's self-cleaning RCU technology, which eliminates the need for preventative maintenance. True is committed to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems that provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's contemporary visual merchandisers.